Hi, and welcome to Plated. My name's Mark, and today we're going to make a classic sweet and sour chicken. Just like Chinese takeout, but better. Not as greasy, probably. So we're going to go ahead and get started. It's a real simple recipe. We appreciate everybody watching our channel, and we appreciate you giving us a thumbs up for recommendations, leaving us comments, and moving us forward, because it's 2021. Forget about 2020. So let's go. We've got some boneless chicken thighs. The Chinese like to use the chicken thighs more than the breast because it could dry it out. So we're gonna just go ahead and use the chicken thighs. So let's get those cut up. And you wanna make everything, this is all cleaned and washed already. You wanna make sure that you cut everything equally again so it cooks right. So we'll go with the cuts first on this. The chicken thighs has a little bit more moisture in it than the breast, and it has a little bit of fat onto it still, so it'll stay moist and tender when you're stir frying. Okay, let's marinate the chicken. We'll put these equally cut pieces of thigh in the bowl, and then we're gonna marinate it. Just like we did when we did our pepper steak, we had a marinade. Every Chinese recipe that you'll see us do will always be a marinade. And so with this one, we used about a tablespoon, there's only 3 things that makes it Chinese. A tablespoon of light soy sauce. That in there first. Then we're gonna put about a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. And lastly, we're gonna use about a teaspoon of sugar.
Sometimes I get a little greenish shade of jealousy. In truth, it's how I know that you're the one for me. And when you're seeing red, come over, we can talk it through. I'll throw a warmer shade on your colder moods, yeah. Drip, drip in the canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate the beautiful, beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I wanna love ya. Baby, let the colors bleed. We don't need to keep it clean. Let's mix it up together for each other.
Okay, let's make the sweet and sour sauce. got a secret ingredient here. It's ketchup. A lot of people don't know there was ketchup in this stuff when you go to Takeout. But get some good ketchup. About 4 tablespoons of ketchup. For your sauce, we're going to do 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of sugar. And I know everybody's like, oh, that's going to be too sweet. But we're indulgent. And then you can give it a good stir. If it's a little grainy, don't worry about it. That'll all meld together in the wok. But it's starting to look like the sweet and sour that you're used to seeing. But we're going to make it a little auburn color because we think it's more palatable with a little dark, just a dash of dark soy sauce in there. And look how the color changes. Get your fire hot.